Hey guys, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to show you how to make an accordion style mini book to be used as a Halloween decoration. The first thing I did was take a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock paper and cut it right in half. So I had two 6 by 12s, and then I decided to make it a little bit longer, so I cut one more. So I ended up with three 6 by 12s, and I just folded them back and forth, and then I connected them in a way that the beginning would start to open up like a book. Other than that, it didn't matter, as long as the first flap kind of opened like a book. Then I used my Scotch glue stick and got them all connected. So I ended up with 7 pages plus the cover to work with. So I think that's going to be just perfect for what I'm doing. I love accordion books. I think they are so fun. I ended up printing pictures from the last 3 Halloweens for this project. I was going to go further back, but I ended up having plenty of pictures just from the last 3 years. And I know my little boys are going to love to see them. So when I have it sitting out on the piano or whatever, they are going to love to actually look at Halloweens from the past. I'm just going to start gluing the pictures down and adding some embellishments. I'm using the Cocoa Daisy kit for September because it is full of Halloween cuteness. So it's almost done. I added this fun little banner out of paper scraps, and I really wanted this polka dot tag to go somewhere, and I found a place right in between where I glued those together. I don't know how, but somehow that worked, and I really like it there, so just stuck it in there. And then I decided for this one to do something a little interactive, so I folded a 4x6 piece of paper in half and glued it on. And I'm going to put the haunted house on the front and a photo inside, so it's kind of like opening the door to the haunted house and something's in there. So I think my kids will really like that. So I'm going to put this little boo thing here and then a photo. I really like how that little flap turned out. I think that's going to be fun. So the last thing I did was add some journaling just to say the dates and who was in the pictures. And other than that, it's done. So it's ready to set out as a decoration, and then I will store it with my mini books. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll make one too. Have a great day. Bye.